So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Again, we are starting. Sorry for few technical disturbances. We are again restarting our the discussion and continue with the chemistry of the proteins. So, we had in previous about discuss about the amino acid, their classifications. So, we'll now discuss about the peptide. Thereby, we will switch on to the uh, classification of the proteins and their structure. So gradually we proceed to these topics. So today we are starting with the peptide. What are the peptides? So by the combination of the two amino acids by the peptide linkage, uh, that is called as the dipeptide. If three amino acids are combined to tripeptides. So up to 10 amino acids, these are the called as the peptides. If the more than 10, up to 50 amino acids are linked to the by in a chain, these are called as the polypeptide. So more than 50 amino acids, they'll be called as the proteins. So protein term actually used for the chain length of the this amino acids is more than 50 amino acids. So below that they can, up to 10 they are called as peptides and polypeptides, and accordingly they will be named by changing the SUK. These are the these are accordingly the contents of the different in sequence of the amino acid, different types of proteins and polypeptide chains are the formed. So again slide is not changing. So this is slide I told you in the discussion. So up to 10, these are called as the amino peptide. It's more than 10 up to 50 amino acid containing chain polypeptide, and more than 50 amino acids, these are called as the proteins. So in the nature, some of the peptides are formed. We discuss about that. So among them, one of the glutathione, which is the tripeptide. It contains the glutamic acid, cysteine, and glycine. So that mainly their function is the two big functions are the it is involved in oxidation reduction reaction or system. Another in the it is reduced glutathione form of their glutathione is reduced form is the important for the maintenance of the integrity of the red blood cell RBCs. So in its deficiency, RBC fragile becomes fragile and that can be negated. Bradykinin, another type of the that peptide is responsible for the sen- transmitting the pain stimulus. So it is responsible for the pain perceptions. Oxytocin and antidiuretic hormone, having the both oxytocin and
Yo,
these are the both are the
lecture था
monopeptide
lecture.
between the
Yo,
containing
Tahir,
nine amino
साईं के
acids.
जो तकरीर को नहीं कहीं लेके मोकले तो साईं lecture attend करा.
So angiotensin having the vasoconstriction effect, it is the reason for the maintenance of the blood pressure. So there is again different types of angiotensin is converted accordingly. It is if it is present in large amount, it is responsible for the high blood pressure, which is the hypertension. Some antibiotics like penicillin, actinomycin, these are the again examples of the peptide. Gastrin and secretin, these are the two hormones which are involved in the digestion process. Gastrin is responsible for the secretion of the gastrin is responsible for the secretion of the acid, which is the HCl, and besides also other functions that we discuss in more detail while we discuss about the digestion and absorption. Secretin is the responsible for the stimulation of the gallbladder, and besides also is so the responsible for the secretion of the bile in the digestion process. Some of the peptides are synthesized by the certain microbial agents, which is microbes, bacteria. So take example of one of them is the bleomycin, which is used as the anti-tumor agent. Another type of the some books write the thyroid releasing hormone also is grouped in the class of the peptides that is responsible for the
कुछ
stimulation of the
सब्जेक्ट के वेट
secretion
तो
of the
उन्हनि खे चर्चा
thyroid hormone.
आदि सत्य चतो तो साईं लेक्चर केर होते
So
था
some of
सलीम
these are the examples of the peptides which contain the
सब आलो मजे
chain
जान कचरी
or of the amino acid chain. So we'll focus on the discussion on the proteins. So what are proteins? Is the 2-3 slides we had already discussed for first lecture. Protein again we are repeating the slide because they continue with the classification of the proteins. So in between we discuss the about the amino acids and their classifications and their peptides. So that as we had discussed in the first discussion or lecture on the protein, these are the nitrogen compound, which is nitrogen containing macromolecules. What are macromolecules? Depend upon their daily requirements and their molecular weight. These are four: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleoprotein or nucleotides. And macromolecules are also these are called micronutrients. These are vitamins and minerals. These are required as compared to these macromolecules in this quantity. So we are taking next slide because they were discussed in our first lecture. So three components are similarly present in these carbohydrate, proteins, and these are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. These are basic components. Also, the nitrogen is present in these proteins. Therefore, these are called as the nitrogen compounds. So, besides, there are also other compounds are can be present in some of the proteins or amino acids. These are accordingly named as the sulfur containing sulfur. If it is sulfur is present, the phosphorus containing, these are the phosphoproteins. So, accordingly, these will be named are classified and the grouped in their classification.
ये छा है सब भजी या वो ते सही बिवा वा लेक्चर कराना मा हबीबुल्लाह जो तो करायो वो दूसरा अलग
So again,
Salim hundo, Suhela,
the functions of the different other proteins that we again can be depend upon as we discussed. These are responsible for the synthesis of different compounds in our body. These can be the hormones, enzymes, immunoglobulins, and the sterile compounds. These are collagen, keratin, elastin. Hemoprotein, which is the hemoglobin, catalase, and these are the. So as a receptors, these are the peripheral proteins are present in our cell membrane. These are responsible for the acting. Besides, also these are other activity. These are peripheral proteins are responsible for the carrying out functions as the receptors for the action of these hormones, which are again will come on the discussion of the hormone. The two types of action. Okay. So in the hemoglobin, again the cytochrome, this pigment proteins होते हैं, ठीक है ना? So as the third priority, we will also discuss in the periodic class. It is the third priority for the provision of the energy. So it equivalent to about to the carbohydrate, it yields the protein yields the energy. So different types of the histones or protamines are also involved in the synthesis of nucleic acid, which are the basic components of the nucleoproteins. So these are the different, depending upon the what type of the compounds are formed are required in the body. These are performed by these different compound or element, different type of function. Transport function is performed by the albumin. Also, these other types of the proteins are involved in that. So classification of proteins, we are switching on that protein can be classified on the different bases. So usually we discuss on the functional basis on their solubility of physical properties. So molecular length and shape, the two big blocks, fibrous and glued proteins are present. So these are the three basic for the classifications of these proteins. So depending upon their molecular length and shape, so that depend upon the axial ratio. Axial ratio, what is that? It is length to width. कितनी इसकी लेंथ है कितनी इसकी width है, ठीक है ना. तो जितनी इसकी width ज़्यादा होगी, लेंथ कम होगी, तो वो उतना क्या हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना, जिसको मोटा कहते हैं आदमी सिंपली. तो वो लीन स्ट्रक्चर हो जाएगा, वो जिसमें लेंथ ज़्यादा होगी, width कम होगी. तो फाइब्रस प्रोटीन्स का एक्सियल रेशियो मोर देन 10 होता है, और ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन क्योंकि वो कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉलिक्यूल बनाते हैं, इसलिए दैट एक्सियल रेशियो इज लेस देन 10. So fiber protein having the thread like molecule elastin collagen है, ठीक है ना. So these are insoluble in water and physically tough. Collagen, elastin, keratin, these are the steroid protein are they are involved in the steroid components of our body. So ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन में क्या आ जाती है, हीमोग्लोबिन आ जाती है, हीमोग्लोबिन अल्ब्यूमिन, इससे कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर होता है, इसके वजह से इनका एक्सियल रेशियो लेस देन 10 होता है. So again, this is the different basis for the classification of these proteins. So that functional classification is dependent upon the different functions are performed by these proteins. So that with somewhat repetition of the previous slide, the catalytic functions, structure protein, defensive proteins, which are the immunoglobulin, will be discussed when the plasma protein will discuss about the immunoglobulin. Regulatory functions are for the metabolism regulation perform होते हैं. These are the hormones. Transport protein for the water insoluble components. That are transported by binding with their albumin or other types of contractile protein, which are involved in the actin and myosin are the example in the movement of the muscles or the other sides where these are present. And these are also proteins are histones, the protamines are present in our nucleic acid. So these are besides also transporting they perform other functions. These are also responsible for the regulation of the gene. तो प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस में भी काम आते हैं, और उसके बाद जो जीन रेगुलेशन होती है, उसके बाद न्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन न्यूक्लिक एसिड में होते हैं. दीज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ द जेनेटिक मटेरियल. रेस्पिरेटरी प्रोटीन जिसमें पिगमेंट प्रोटीन में हीमोग्लोबिन है, साइटोस्केलेटन ट्यूबुलिन है, जो सेल के अंदर में स्ट्रक्चर लाइक स्केलेटन की, मगर वो स्केलेटन की जो आम स्केलेटन होता है इस तरह से टफ नहीं होता, उसकी दूसरी होती है. By that the shape of the cell is maintained. That cytoskeleton is responsible for the maintenance of the shape of the cell. So tubulin is one of the that importance. So depending upon that is the third basis for the classification of the protein. These are the physico-chemical classification, which depends upon the solubility. वो प्रोटीन soluble है या नहीं है, और फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज जो उसके एक्सिबल होती हैं, उसमें three types of proteins we can classify. Simple proteins are those which are present in nature as such. Compound protein में कोई प्रोस्टेट ग्रुप दूसरा अटैच होता है, इससे accordingly these are classified. Derived protein उसकी हाइड्रोलाइसिस सिंपल प्रोटीन की वजह उसमें से वो हाइड्रोलाइज होती है, ये उसमें से डिराइव होते हैं, ठीक है ना. So the three group depend upon the solubility and physical properties of the proteins.
सर ये गिफ्ट जूम के बंद कयो सर
जी ताके
गिफ्ट जूम जो को ऑप्शन दे तो ता के सर
इसे तो कोनो वे स्लाइड चेंज हुई पहुंचे
ठीक है सर तो हाल है सर कंटिन्यू करो
आप So in the simple protein, these are different types of albumin, globin, prolamine, protamine, histones, and steroprotein. These are also called named as albuminides. So albumin is one of the important proteins which is responsible for the maintenance of the osmotic pressure. Also, it acts as the main, beside the other proteins which are the transport proteins. There is a big, major protein which is act as the transport protein. Different type of drugs are the company are toxic. They become bind with that albumin and thereby these are transported. Globulin, mainly different types of globulins are present which are responsible for the formation of the different types of the immunoglobulin. The mainly gamma globulin is responsible for the immunity. Also, different types of the immunoglobulins are that present in our body. That will again discuss when we discuss about the plasma proteins. So globin is present in combination with the hemoglobin. So the, that hemoglobin and globin is present. Prolamine is present in the gliadin of the wheat or barley. So gliadin of the wheat contains the prolamine. Protamines are the present and histones both are present in the nucleic acid. So these are basic contain amino acid containing proteins. Both are responsible for the mainly these are the histones and the other proteins which are simple protein present in these nucleic acid. These are the protamines. So collagen, elastin, and keratin. These are the different types of protein. Collagen is present in the mainly the bones, cartilages. Elastin is the ligaments and tissue cartilages, and keratin mainly in hairs and nails. These are the sites where that keratin responds for the formation of the. So compound proteins, these are everything clustered group, which is a non-protein part. So these are bound with the non-protein part according to their present as a clustered group or the non-protein part. These are named. So in nucleoprotein, these are present in the nucleic acid. Phosphoprotein are the phosphorus containing protein, phosphoric acid containing protein. Nucleic acid में क्या है nucleoprotein जो nucleic acid present होती है इसलिए these are called as the nucleoprotein. Lipoproteins, that is the transport form of these lipids in our body. So they again the apolipoproteins are these are present as a constituent group in the and these are in that form are transported in our body. Glycoprotein and two mycoproteins, two types of the proteins, which is glycoprotein have the least component of the carbohydrate, while mycoprotein is also called the mycoprotein. These are having the more than 4%, a large, which means the large amount of the carbohydrate present in the. क्रोमोप्रोटीन में पिगमेंट्स होती हैं जिससे हीमोग्लोबिन है साइटोक्रोम है एंजाइम और मेटल प्रोटीन में डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द metals are responsible for the prostate group. So this is table how shows how the combination are present. So triprotein, these are obtained on the hydrolysis of these simple protein, mainly from the simple protein, or from they can be also obtained from the conjugated protein. Primary derived proteins जो होते हैं, these are called denatured protein. So which means the after denaturation, what is denaturation? Again, we will discuss about that. There are water factors which are for the denaturation of protein. या सेकेंडरी derived proteins होते हैं जो these are often on the progressive hydrolysis of these proteins. So because of the we will late in our start of the lecture, so today we are stopping here. चलो next class में हम आपकी फर्दर कंटिन्यू करेंगे और जो भी आपको क्वेरी होगी that will be clear. इसमें टेक्निकल रीजन स्टार्ट में कोई लेट हो गई थी, ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू, जज़ाकल्लाह.
When there are regular relations of people, the release of aldosterone, the question of aldosterone, and sodium chloride, the body, the accumulation of sodium chloride affects the body. Drugs.
हेलो
जी सर जी, हाणे मां जो स्टाफ खे मां तव्हांखे फ़ोन कयो आहे, तव्हांजो नंबर छा आहे साईं? मां लीव कयो हाणे हिनखे.
अच्छा लीव करे छॾियो पर ठीकु आहे.
हाणे का पर तव्हांजो नंबर मूं वटि न हुयो, मां तव्हांजो नंबर कया.
अच्छा ॿुधो, तव्हां उतां लीव कयो, रिकॉर्डिंग जो स्टॉप कयोसि.
रिकॉर्डिंग जो का तव्हां
उते मोर में वञी करे स्टॉप जो हूंदव या
स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग, ठीकु आहे, करे छॾियो.